Sure, I had heard it before. A calling. But that day, on that day, I answered it. I looked to the north and rode, left it all behind. I followed the calling north.
I'm just flying by the seat of my pants here, and I'm going, well, as it gets later on in the day, after about 5 o'clock or so, I start looking for a place to stay. I don't have any reservations. I'm just trying to see what I can do. So last night I stopped at the first motel, no vacancy. Stopped at the second motel, no vacancy. Keep rolling, keep rolling. And finally I stopped and I found the Paradise Motel. Paradise, well, I'd say the term is used a little bit loosely, but at least I found a place to get out of the rain, because I was soaked and it was getting late and I was getting a little concerned that everybody was going to be booked and I was going to have no place to stay. What do? You just got to keep moving. That's all you can do. So we are at the Paradise Motel, and so alright, I'm back already because I didn't go very far when I found a spot. I wasn't even riding 5 minutes and I found a good lookout spot to do my first drone. Okay, just stopped for a little breakfast at Elliot's restaurant in Little Current. Nice little place, very reasonable. Hope you can hear me. So we're gonna head out now, heading to Espanola. Looks like the swing bridge is up, so there's a bit of a delay as soon as I went to leave Little Current. You see the boats going through. I don't know if I could take that other lane or not. The big motorhome just did, but I figure I'll sit here. I'm not in a huge hurry. Just stopped for an ice cream in Massey, the Chutes Confectionery. You cannot go through Massey without stopping for ice cream. And look, the fair's in town. So I just stopped at a crossroads here. I can either head north on 108 to Elliott Lake. There's scenic stuff up there, there's gas, there's everything you need, and it does head north. Or do I want to keep going west towards the Sioux? And also Monday morning, ready to head out again. From the comfort and security of the Super 8, the Sioux, to wild country. And that's a wild looking sky up there, so this is going to be interesting. Anyway, getting the drone packed up, cleaning up my stuff because I'm not a slob. This was about the same price as the Paradise Motel last night, except with this motel room, It's quiet. They have drapes that draw and don't let light shine in your face all night. People yapping and partying outside your window. And the best part of it all is the bed. When you sit on it, it actually squishes down a little bit when you sit on it, instead of being stone slab like the other one. So I'm liking it. So we're ready to head out. One of the most useful things on this trip has been plastic bags. Don't forget your plastic bags. Other than that, we're ready to head out there, and weather report says anything from severe thunderstorms to clear blue skies. That don't look like clear blue skies, so oh well. Let's hope for the best. So here we are, riding along the rugged shoreline of Superior. And as you can see, the country's getting wilder. The country gets wilder as you go. But we're riding the north. That's what we do. If we make it through, we're a man. If we don't make it through, well, you didn't make it. You got eaten by a bear. Will the Northland claim you? It calls out, taunting me, saying, pulled over at the Chippewa River rest area. Just a small little federal rest area. I don't really need the washroom or anything, but what I wanted to do was take this off and get the rain suit on, because it's looming ever closer at all times. So I have a feeling I'm going to get caught in the rain pretty soon. So let's get the rain suit on, and maybe I'll have a quick snack, and then we'll keep heading up into the wild north. Oh, yep, I was right. By the time I got the rain gear on and things packed up, the rain has started pouring down. So let's hope I can drive out of it. Take a quick washing break first, and then we'll head out. So I stopped at a pullover lookout to examine some of the wild country. And I love how they let all the trees grow up so you can't see. Well, I must say the landscape certainly does start to change. I just stopped at this bridge here just to show you how this extremely deep gorge. You sure don't want a bridge jump here. Yes, sir.
Where's home?
Down near Owen Sound.
Okay.
Yeah, we took the Chi-Chi-Min across and went from there.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's always nice going that way. So now, what's that?
We're hitting the lake kid there.
Oh, okay. I'm heading up to Wawa, and then
Wow, that's not that far from there.
yeah, we'll see where we go from there. Maybe another 80 clicks or something like that.
Well, we're going right straight through the west, right?
Are ya? You're going out west?
Yeah, we come from east.
Oh, that's cool.
East to west.
Great.
No. Don't go in my bread, whatever you do. Okay, promise?
No, stay back. Stay back. That's enough. Yep. Just came down for a look at the river. It's a pretty cool little river. A couple of guys came down to scope it out for fishing. They might be back later. They're just sort of touring all the spots. I'm wondering if there's a way I can get a drone flight around here. I'd love to go fly out around that sandbar and kind of show the river draining out into Superior. I just don't know where to stop.